Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Pulse GL66. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing issues with your MSI Pulse GL66, such as it not charging unless you hold the cable at a certain angle, you're not alone. This is a common problem that typically indicates a fault with the charging port. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage to the internal components, making repairs more complicated and costly. To fix this issue, you will need a set of precision screwdrivers, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, a new charging port, and a soldering iron. Now, let's get started on the repair. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the screws from the back panel using your precision screwdriver. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port. It will typically be situated near the power input area on the motherboard. Examine the port for any visible damage or signs of wear. To remove the faulty charging port, first, disconnect any cables that are attached to it. Use your tweezers to gently pull them away from the connectors. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the charging port in place. Remember to apply a gentle force when unscrewing, as excessive force can damage the surrounding components. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the old charging port out of its slot. Now, take the new charging port and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables to the new charging port, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. Now, plug in your charging cable and check if the laptop charges correctly. If it does, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port. To prevent this issue from occurring again, avoid putting strain on the charging cable by ensuring it does not bend at awkward angles. Regularly inspect the port for dust or debris, and keep the charging cable in good condition. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.